Hi boys and girls, now that we have finished up our citizenship unit, we're going to start a new unit on life long ago. We're going to be thinking about the past and comparing it to life now and maybe even thinking about the future. So what do those words mean? Today we're going to talk about it. What is the past? What is the present? No, not a present like you would get on your birthday. And what is the future? Time passes each day. We call the time before today the past. The past can mean yesterday or last year. It can also mean long ago. Long ago is a time that happened far back in the past. It was before any of us were born. People looked different in the past or long ago. They had different things than what we have today. We call right now the present. We are all living right now in the present. The future is a time that is going to happen later. For example, you will be 10 years old in the future. Think about people that lived in the past or long ago. Think about people that live right now in the present. Think about people that will live in the future. How can you tell if something was in the past? Let's look at some things to get those ideas going. Do you know what this is? This is an old phone. Long before the cell phones of today, there were phones like this. Now, this is a phone from the past. You know what phones are like in the present because I'm sure your parents have some, but I wonder what phones will look like in the future. This is an idea of a future phone. Here's another idea of a phone that could happen in the future. We don't really know exactly what phones will look like, but these are just some ideas. I don't know if you know what this is. This is called a typewriter. A typewriter is what people used when they wanted to type words onto a piece of paper. Now we just use computers and printers, but back then it was almost like stamping letters with ink onto pieces of paper. And of course, this is a computer like the ones we use right now in the present. This is a family picture from a long time ago. Photographs taken in the past oftentimes did not have any color and only used the colors black, white, and gray. This wasn't because that people in the past had white or gray skin. It's because the camera couldn't make colors. Here's a picture taken in present times. There are colors in the pictures, people are smiling and moving around. Pictures taken in the past, the people had to stay very still so that way the camera could take their picture. If they moved, the camera would take a blurry picture. Speaking of pictures, this is a camera from long ago. It definitely took pictures differently from the present times. I think this is the type of camera you boys and girls are used to. They didn't have these types of cameras when I was a little girl. We would take pictures and have to take the camera to somewhere to develop the film. Nowadays, you can take hundreds of pictures and delete the ones you don't like. So hopefully after this video today, you will be able to tell the difference between the past, the present, and the future. Past Miss Sarah wasn't hungry. Present Miss Sarah is very hungry. Future Miss Sarah, as in like 2 minutes, is going to be eating lunch. Thank you for learning with me. Take care.